My Tresswellness wax machine kit just came in the mail, so let's open it up and see what's inside. Okay, we have our wax beads in green peppermint, yellow lemon, purple lavender, blue eucalyptus, and green tea tree. We have our pre and our after wax spray. We have our big and small application sticks. And of course, we have the wax warmer, which I got in purple and pink. They have tons of different colors. They have black, they have white, they have blue and pink. Do they have blue and pink? Or was it blue and purple? We have like this turquoise color, all types of colors to choose from. And we have our spray things for the bottle. She is so cute. I also have the black one, which is like the original. It's black and then purple right here, but I'm loving this one. She's so adorable.